Good morning, Mrs. Jackson's homeroom. This will help you with your time order words worksheet. Mr. Bermudez has the same one. However, his format is a little different, so I figured I'd make another video. The directions say time order words and phrases link related events and ideas together. They indicate a specific organization pattern. Time order words and phrases include words such as meanwhile, first, before long, later on, earlier, next, and as soon as. All right, and so the directions say, please type the time order words or words in each sentence. Number 1, after we received my clothing, we boarded our ship. So the word that's a time order word would be, oops, we don't want that, would be after. If that happens, just make sure you click the arrow. And the word was after. First, I explored my tiny cabin. Later, I explored the ship's deck. So this one had two. It was first, and I'll have to put a comma, and then the word later. Both of the words first and later are time order words. Remember, you can always look up here if you need help. The whales have to pass before we turn the engines on again. And so the time order word would be before. Number 4, Monday afternoon, I watched the penguins. Earlier, the sea was full of whales. And so we have afternoon, and I have earlier. And if that happens, I spelled earlier wrong, I'll fix that. You can always grab that middle one and make it longer. And we'll just, whoops, put that back. Earlier, ER, yep. Yep. Number 5, I listened to the loud cracking sounds, and meanwhile, the sky began to glow. And our time order word would be meanwhile. And number 5, choose a time order word in the parentheses which correctly completes each sentence. Write the word on the line. So here are the two words I'm choosing to put here. Number 6, I slipped on 2 pairs of socks, and next I put on the heavy boots. I slipped on 2 pairs of socks, and first I put on the heavy boots. Well, the only word that makes sense would be next, since you don't put your boots on before your socks. When I left, snow was beginning to fall, and blank, it turned into a blizzard. So I have to choose later or earlier. When I left, snow was beginning to fall, and later it turned into a blizzard. When I left, snow was beginning to fall, and earlier it turned into a blizzard. Well, if you're leaving, it would have to be later. I knew that blank, someone would come looking for me. I knew that before long, someone would come looking for me. I knew that as soon as someone would come looking for me. And the answer would be before long. And let's just make that not a capital since it's the middle of a sentence. And that would be it.